To customize lock screen on the Samsung A07, just start by opening the settings. Now we have to scroll down and go for wallpaper and style. And this is the first place where we can actually customize the lock screen. I'm going to show you the second one after this one. So now click on the lock screen for the first, and what we can do over here. When you click here, you are able to change clock options. For example, you can change its style. You can show weather information over here. You can show date above or under your clock. And for some of the clock styles, you are able to change font style, but for this, it is actually not available. And you can even change its color. Take a look. You can even get the multi colors style. Now, when you click over here, you can add or remove widgets. So for example, if you want to add here maybe the weather information, you can for sure do that. It will be available here. You can add up to 4 widgets. And now on the plus in the left and the bottom corner, you are able to add some shortcuts. So we can quickly, for example, turn on the flashlight, or for example, turn on or turn off the mobile data. Now, by clicking here, you can actually find the different styles. So it will quickly apply some changes, some recommendations, but also we can make a change by clicking here on the left upper corner, and you can set your photo, picture from your gallery, or you can even set a video wallpaper if you want. So you can find here some galaxy theme, which looks like this, and you can get this animated lock screen. Now if you want to apply all of those changes, you have to click down in the right upper corner.